Let me ask you this. Did you accomplish your New Year's resolution for 2018? Do you even remember what it was? Well, if you don't, you're not alone. New Year's is a great time to set goals, develop new routines, and get out of bad habits. Unfortunately, the excitement and motivation behind your New Year's resolution usually fades as the year goes on. Well, not this year. In this video, I'm going to discuss some of the top reasons why your New Year's resolutions don't work out, won't work out, and how you can set yourself up for success this year. With careful planning, you can look back at the end of 2019 and feel proud of what you've accomplished. So, let's take a walk down memory lane. Why haven't your New Year's resolution worked out? Well, number one, you didn't write them down. Very quickly after January 1st, New Year's resolutions are out of sight and they're out of mind. Maybe they disappeared after you voiced them during a toast. Maybe you thought about them out loud in your head. Either way, any goal does not go anywhere when you can't physically see it. Manifest your resolution by physically writing it down and placing it somewhere that you can see it every day of the year. I know it's cheesy, but take things one step further by creating something called a vision board filled with words and images that help your resolution come to life. New Year's resolutions are special goals, but that doesn't mean they'll stick in your head any longer than any other goals if you don't write them down. Number two, your planning stopped after you wrote your big goal down. So, you want to quit smoking in 2019? That's great. You've written it down on a piece of paper? That's even better. Well, what's next? What are your backup plans if you stumble? What milestones do you want to hit before you check that goal off your list? Successful New Year's resolutions are not limited to just a goal. You have to actually create a plan. As you nurse your New Year's hangover, if you have one, get out your calendar and start to plan out your year, month by month. How much of your resolution do you want to accomplish by the end of the year, the end of June, or maybe even the end of this month? You don't have to plan out every single day for 2019, but you should set aside some time to check in progress and start planning your next steps. Number three is that you vowed to start on January 1st. Yeah, nice try. Ideally, January 1st should be the beginning of a productive journey towards a happier, healthier version of yourself. In reality, January 1st for most people is a 24-hour struggle to get out of bed. Many people are recovering from a hangover or the craziness of the holiday season. When you wake up on January 2nd and realize that you haven't made any progress, a lot of people feel tempted to scrap their goals altogether and just kind of push them aside. Each year is 365 days, so that means don't put too much pressure on yourself to start on the first day of the year. Give yourself some time to put yourself together and take tiny steps towards your goal. Check in with yourself at the end of the week or even at the end of the month and check in on your progress. Starting on January 3rd and sticking to your goal for a few weeks is more productive than trying to start on January 1st, failing, and then throwing in the towel. I hate seeing approximately 840 people in the gym in January, but a tenth of that in February. See, for me, 2018 was the first year I went to the gym consistently, and I know there's going to be a ton of people in there in January. So I'm going to have to decide if I want to spend 30 minutes waiting for some dumbbells, or if I want to go out and buy dumbbells that I can use on my own. Remember, everyone is trying in the gym on January 1st. There's not usually that many people in the gym, so just wait it out if you need to. Number four is that you don't see the reward in working towards your goal. You know the what of your New Year's resolution, but do you know the why? According to a YouGov survey, the top 3 resolutions for 2018 were to eat healthier, to get more exercise, and to save money. But the reasons behind these goals weren't always explored. We don't know why people wanted those goals. One person could aspire to eat healthier so that they can lower their cholesterol. Their neighbor could have the same exact goal, but maybe it's because they want to look good for their trip to Bermuda in the summer. Maybe their coworker also has the same goal, but it's so that they can sleep good at night. The goal itself doesn't motivate people. It's the benefits of achieving that goal. If you fail to reflect on the why of your resolution, you will forget and revert back to your old habits, and you'll never accomplish your resolution. Remember, from my teaching on sales, people buy with emotion and they justify with logic. And you have to use these exact same principle to sell yourself a goal. You don't eat healthy to be healthy. No, you need to eat healthy so that you won't die at age 38, or that you can look amazing at the beach. If you want to stick to your resolution, you need to physically write down your goal and the reason you want to see it happen this year. These rewards don't always have to be directly related to the goal itself. If you're struggling to stick to your goal, make up your own rewards and prizes, even if they're egotistic and seem a little selfish. Want to go to the gym more often? Maybe promise yourself a treat every week that you hit the gym for 4 days in a row. Maybe you want to save some more money. Well, take yourself out to a nice restaurant every time you hit a monthly saving goal. Just make sure that you account for this purchase in your overall budget. Number 5 is that there's no one holding you accountable. New Year's resolutions are fun to share with your friends and family, but discussions rarely leave the dinner table. There's a lot of people out there who respond to extrinsic motivation, and the help of friends and family could be a crucial piece of this goal-setting puzzle. Extrinsic motivation is the type of motivation that comes from external sources. When your boss sets a deadline, they are offering extrinsic motivation. When your Facebook friends cheer you on and support your journey, they're also offering extrinsic motivation. When you recruit something called an accountability buddy, or someone who you regularly check in with and maybe they track your progress, you are finding sources of extrinsic motivation that can help you realize your resolutions. I suggest sharing your resolutions with a greater audience, your coworkers, your social media network, other places like that. Ask people to hold you accountable and to check in with you every once in a while and see how your goal is going. And if you need to, you can promise them to hold them accountable for their goals as well. This extra motivation, this social pressure, may just be the push that you need to get to the gym every day, to put down the carbs, or finally start manifesting the things on your dream board. One of the best ways to help you actually achieve your resolutions is to have a support group of people who push you and want to help you. If you want to be around a group of people who are serious about self-improvement and developing themselves into their best possible versions in 2019, you should consider Practical Growth Academy. Now, there's a ton of other benefits, including a vault of animated book summaries and actionable worksheets, plus more added each week. Soon, if you're a member, you'll also get full premium access to my Psychology of Belief course for free if you're a member. If you want to learn more about Practical Growth Academy and the mastermind of people involved, check out the link in the description below, and if you join today, I'll give you a free $20 Amazon gift card so that your first month is completely risk-free. It's only $17 a month, and you can cancel anytime. Anyways, let's move on to number 6. You don't complete your resolution because you don't think that you can actually do it. See, New Year's resolutions can either be wishes or they can be goals. Goals have a plan. The difference between a wish and a goal is whether or not you actually make the effort to see your goal become a reality. The secret to making the effort and sustaining the motivation to follow through with your efforts is the self-belief that you can accomplish your goal. The first step to truly holding on to that belief is to rewrite your New Year's resolution. Change it from "I want to quit smoking" to an affirmation, something like "I am going to quit smoking," or "I am going to direct my strength and willpower towards quitting smoking." You can secure this belief by creating affirmations that you can repeat regularly. Write this affirmation down on a piece of paper next to your resolution and place it somewhere that you can see it in the morning, maybe by a bathroom mirror or your bedside. Read and repeat the affirmation out loud. This exercise will help you believe in yourself and remind yourself of the New Year's resolution every day. If you don't put effort into your New Year's resolution, you will not see it happen for you this year. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to check out Practical Growth Academy in the link below if you want to supercharge your 2019. Remember, it's only $17 a month. You can cancel anytime, and if you join today, I'm going to send you a $20 Amazon gift card to cover the first month. I'll see you in the next video.